that the eggs you are consuming for protein can take your life? Yes, absolutely right. Chinese fake artificial chemical eggs are in the market which can make you sick, very sick. In fact, it can protect yourself and your family from this channel. I will show you the tricks and tips to identify this fake egg in the market. China have a culture of preparing fake duplicate products. They are preparing duplicate products of everything. Some of these people do not obey copyright rules. They have no moral value, and now they are preparing artificial deadly food items. This egg can kill you. It can give you lethal disease like cancer, so avoid it at any cost for the sake of your life. Prevention is better than cure. If you don't know how to identify this fake Chinese egg, don't panic, I will show you the tips. If you want to know about these fake eggs, then you must have to know how they are prepared. They are made by mixing sodium alginate to warm water and then adding gelatin, alum and benzoic acid to the mixture. The same mixture is also used to prepare the oil with coloring agent and the yellow coloring agent used for the preparing the yolk substance. So if you want to know about these fake eggs, then tips are: first, after cracking the duplicate eggs, the white and yolk will mix together instantly. Second, the fake eggs have slightly thinner cells than the real one. The cells of fake egg are slightly rougher. Fourth, you can hear sloshing sound when the fake eggs. Then real egg smells slightly raw meat. Real egg sound crispy in comparison to fake egg. When you fry a fake egg, the yolk will spread without big touch. And again, another thing is fake egg cells are prepared from calcium carbonate, paraffin wax and gypsum powder. Sometimes the egg yolk's color comes in orange, brown or yellowish orange. Fry these fake eggs always generate more bubbles than the real one. So these are some common tips for identification of fake eggs. At last, I would say that your health is your greatest wealth. So avoid this duplicate Chinese product at any cost, and thank you. Love you all. Guys, knowledge and skill have no alternative. If you want a world, you must have to accumulate necessary skills and knowledge. Sometimes the minute tips which you don't think that is necessary for life, sometimes it can redeem your life. Thank you. Thanks. I would like to say that if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for further such type of lovely video. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Guys, love you all and see you. Thanks and bye. Thank you.